Did you know that you are literally flushing your own money down the toilet every day with your inefficient and extremely unhygienic toilet brushes and impose an enormous burden on our environment and water resources? We introduce you to the world's first Clooubrush, the revolutionary toilet cleaning solution that not only changes your everyday life, but also has a significant impact on the environment and saves your money, so that your purchase costs are recouped in the shortest possible time. Unlike traditional toilet brushes that contribute to massive plastic waste and water waste, Clooubrush is a sustainable and cost-effective alternative that will last for years. Did you know? Conventional toilet brushes generate an incredible 120,800 tons of plastic waste every year in the United States and Europe alone. The toilet brushes that are disposed of every year could be lined up one behind the other and cover a distance 3 times from the Earth to the Moon and back. Clooubrush counteracts environmental pollution by eliminating the need to constantly replace quickly worn, unhygienic and unsightly toilet brushes, while also reducing your cleaning product costs and water consumption. Water efficiency is important. Clooubrush achieves a remarkable 50% reduction in water consumption, saving 3,650 liters of fresh water and 3,650 liters of wastewater per person annually, and with just one flush per day. For 780 million people in the United States and Europe, this represents a potential saving of 2.84 trillion liters, which is half of Lake Michigan. Per person, with one flush, imagine the collective impact for a family of 5. Cloobrush's advanced conical design maximizes cleaning performance and minimizes consumption with only approximately 50 milliliter of water per visit. Forget excessive cleaning products and costly substitute products. With Cloobrush, you contribute to a cleaner planet without straining your budget. Advantages at a glance. 1. Less use of cleaning agents and reduced plastic waste, which protects the environment and your wallet. 2. Toilet brush sets no longer need to be constantly replaced. This protects the environment by minimizing plastic waste and saves money. 3. 50% savings on fresh water, protecting the environment and reducing your water bill. 4. 50% wastewater savings, protecting the environment and saving money on your water bill, thereby promoting environmental protection. Choose Clooubrush, a smart choice for hygiene and environmental protection. Make the change today and contribute to a sustainable future.